fat song. Ooh, also my arms. Ew, oh, I died.
What do you got?
Okay, my arms literally died out on. My arms are slowing down, but I don't want them to. Why are you slowing down, arms? I'm not telling you. Now here's the new days. Oh. What happened? I died. I didn't die.
Oh, sweetie.
My score just went so far down, even though I didn't miss any notes. Oh well, now I'm missing some notes. Here we are away now. We are the warriors, we build this now.
What are you doing?
I don't know the words. We are the warriors, we build this something. Nope.
Hey, cutie. I love you.
I could have did the part after. I could have did the part after that. Just that part was short.
Yeah. Is that your friend?